करुणाकरसूरीन्द्र गुरुवर्य पदाम्बुजां नवनीतनटोत्तंसां गुरुपङ्क्ति श्रियन्नुमः. Hello friends, today I am here to tell you a story titled Always Be Humble. This is a story from the Kenopanishad. It is said that once all the Devas, that is the Celestials, won a battle against the Asuras, and they were celebrating their victory with a party. All the Devas were present in that party. Indra, Agni, Vayu, and all other celestials were making merry. They had won a battle after all, so it was a very deserving celebration, they felt. Even as they indulged in these celebrations, they noticed a huge form outside Svargaloka, outside the abode of celestials, heaven. So Indra was curious to know who this visitor was. So he sent Agni to go and investigate. Agni stepped out, and as soon as this huge form saw Agni, he put a question to Agni. He asked Agni, "Who are you?" Agni said, "I am the god of fire. I am known as Agni." Then that huge form asked him another question. "Could you please tell me what does Agni mean?" He asked him the meaning of the name Agni. So Agni explained that Agni means fire, which is something that can burn anything that it comes in contact with. To this, the huge form replied, "If that is the case, O Agni, can you burn this blade of grass?" He asked. He had a blade of grass in hand, and he asked Agni if Agni could burn that blade of grass. Agni was amused at this. Burning a mere blade of grass is nothing for me. I can do it within a jiffy. And he just blew at that blade of grass. But that blade of grass did not catch fire. Agni tried to increase his intensity more and more. He did his best to make the grass catch fire, but nothing happened. Frightened, Agni returned back to his comrades. This kindled the curiosity of Indra even more. So he sent Vayu next to go and meet this person who had a big form. Vayu went to investigate, and he told the big form that he was Vayu. That big formed person asked Vayu the meaning of his name. Vayu said, "Vayu means wind, and wind can blow off anything." To this big person told him, "In that case, you please blow off this piece of grass." It was the same piece of grass which failed to catch fire. Vayu really felt it strange, said, "Blowing a mere blade of grass is child's play for me. I can do it in no time." And he just tried to blow it very lightly. The blade of grass did not budge. Vayu was surprised, and he increased his intensity of blowing. But this blade of grass remained where it was. It did not move an inch. Vayu too was completely perturbed by this incident and returned back to Indra. Then Indra himself decided to go out and find out who this person was. Indra looked at the big form that was present in front of him, and he got a bit scared because this was the person who had made the efforts of Agni and Vayu completely futile. So, with a lot of fear in his mind, he looked at this big form and was thinking what to question him. At this time, goddess Parvati intervened, and she told Indra, Indra, please do not try to show off in front of this great person, because actually this person with a big form here looks like a yaksha, but he is actually Parabrahma himself, the Supreme Lord of the universe. And he has come to show you, O Indra, that your victory in the battle against Asuras happened because of the will of the Supreme Lord, not because you had the prowess to win over anything. So essentially, if a person is victorious, the real reason behind his victory is the will of the Supreme Lord or his sankalpam. If the Supreme Lord wills, if he has the sankalpam that one should be victorious, he blesses that person with the strength, courage, and efficiency to perform that job and attain victory. So, if one gets victorious, he must always remember that his victory has come as a result of the blessing of the Supreme Being. He should not take the success of his victory to his head. He should not become proud of his success. He should not get vanity go into his head. So it's extremely essential that one should always be humble, because if we lose humility, then we feel we become all powerful and we start to do things which are not righteous, because the feeling of having victory has intoxicated us and is preventing us from seeing what is right and wrong. In this case, the celestials, the devas, somehow got this victory into their heads. They thought they were all powerful and they could burn or blow off anything that was there in the world. But they realized that even to burn or blow a blade of grass, it is extremely essential that they are bestowed with the blessings of the Supreme. So let us always remember that if we have any achievements in life, we owe it to the Lord. It is because of Him that we have this success, and it is to Him that we submit this success as service. So, friends, from this story, let us always learn to be humble. कवितार्किकसिंहाय कल्याणगुणशालिने श्रीमते वेंकटेशाय वेदांत गुरवे नमः।